This is the final part of the last-minute cheat sheet on Cloud Bigtable vs. Firestore. In this section, I will go through the NoSQL database service decision tree. You can pause this video to review the last-minute cheat sheets of Cloud Bigtable and Firestore videos before this one. I also made the video on Google Cloud Storage and the database decision tree in GCP PCA's last-minute cheat sheet. You can also review that one before this one. There are 4 options for using NoSQL database services in Google Cloud: using Cloud Bigtable, Cloud Firestore, HBase on Dataproc, or hosting the NoSQL database on a VM using GCE. If your NoSQL database requires a special custom setup or lift and shift NoSQL database, such as MongoDB or Cassandra from on-prem to the cloud, then you should host the database on the VM using GCE. There is another situation. If you require transactional consistency, the database might change, you need an adaptable database, or you need to scale to 0, you want a no maintenance overhead scaling up to terabytes, then consider using the Cloud Firestore. If you don't require transactional consistency, or you need HBase replacement in the cloud, you want a consistent sub-10 millisecond latency for handling millions of requests per second, you might want to consider Cloud Bigtable. If you just need to lift and shift HBase from your on-prem Hadoop to the cloud, then you can deploy HBase in Dataproc. By the way, the difference between BigQuery and Bigtable on handling analytical operations is BigQuery provides a sub-second query response time and a high concurrency. Bigtable provides a consistent sub-10 millisecond latency for handling millions of requests per second. I will cover the details on data warehouse service BigQuery in the next video. Now let's use the last-minute cheat sheets on Cloud Bigtable and Firestore to take a look at 3 sample Google PDE questions. Please read the question first, pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question. If you just need analytical service to support 250,000 devices in every 10 seconds, then both BigQuery and Bigtable can do the job. But for all time series analysis, the answer is Bigtable. You can perform Cloud Bigtable operations at the command line using either the HBase shell or the CBT tool, but pay attention to Google load. Use the HBase shell if you are accustomed to it and prefer to use it. Otherwise, we recommend that you using the CBT tool, which has fewer dependencies and installation steps. So the correct answer is C. Want to try another one? Pause the video and read the question first. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question. You don't want to manage your own time series database. It rules out C and D host database on VM using GCE. Agents must not have a permission to modify or read data written by another agent, which rules out B. So the correct answer is A. This is the last sample question and the answer should be very straight. It is very similar to the examples mentioned in the choosing a row key and avoiding hotspotting. The correct answer is D. Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe to my channel for more great cloud computing learning tips. See you next time.